Champion.
Welcome to the Champion Windows manufacturing facility, located in Cincinnati, Ohio, where we manufacture replacement windows used in homes across the country. Let's take a look at the process. First, our specialized Comfort 365 glass is cut to the custom size on order. Our glass incorporates low emissivity glass technology and superior insulations for better temperature control. Then, the glass is set by an operator on the glass line. It is then sent through a washer, removing all debris. After the spacer is added, the two panes of glass go side by side down the conveyor towards the butterfly machine. The butterfly then takes its wings up, and the roller marries the glass together to create an insulated glass unit. Then it travels through the infrared heater and press to create a lasting seal. After inspection, the glass units are then carted and taken over to the argon station. Argon is injected into the unit, providing a more energy-efficient insulated window. Next, we will move over to the window framing area. Champion windows are made of pure vinyl, free from wood or other fillers, to ensure a strong vinyl-to-vinyl bond. No impurities or alloys are added for optimal strength and performance. The foam-enhanced frames provide additional insulation. Long pieces of frame are then cut into shorter lengths and welded together to ensure a 90-degree angle, while the welding plate heats and mechanically presses the corners together, leaving a clean finish. This 12-point fusion welded frame provides superior strength. The frame is then cleaned and ready for the glass to be set. At the assembly line, the frame and the sash meet. The glass dropper sets the glass into the sash. The spacer blocks and bead are then custom cut and fitted by hand to hold the glass in the sash. The sash is then married up with the actual frame at the end of the line by the assemblers, with the highest level of expertise. Once complete and inspected, the product is then wrapped and ready to ship out of our manufacturing facility to our local stores for installation.